Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Windows without losing your data. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to the setting. I'm going to go to the start menu and select settings, and then we're going to go to the Windows update, and we're going to scroll down until we find the advanced options here. Okay, then we can go to the recovery menu. Okay, and since we want to reset our PC, we can select this option, reset this PC. Okay, all right, and then make sure you select this option, keep my files, so you will keep your data in your computer. And once you choose this option, you can reset your PC. Okay guys, and that's how we can reset our PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.